In this movie, we will insert doors and windows on the ground floor. Optionally, watch the Inserting Windows movie to learn more about the basics of windows and doors in BricsCAD BIM. Continue working in your own model or download Step 4 DWG. Also download the zip file containing the windows and doors for the villa project. All dimensions can be found in Dimensions DWG. In this model, 3 window types exist. Story-high windows, which are placed on top of a sill. Corner windows, which are inserted as 2 L-connected frames. Normal windows, which are inserted in the exterior face of a wall. To force entity snap points to lie in the XY plane of the dynamic UCS, switch on the Ignore Entity Snap Elevation option. Also allow entity snaps to negative Z values. These settings assure that the origin point of the windows and doors lies in the face of the solid. Let's start with the exterior door in the left elevation. Click the BIM Insert tool and select Ext Door DWG in the folder where you unzip the windows and doors for the villa project. Move the cursor over the vertical face of the sill. Press the Shift key to lock the dynamic UCS and snap to the top corner of the sill. Restart the BIM Insert command and select Window Fixed 1 DWG. Move the cursor over the vertical face of the sill. Press the Shift key to lock the dynamic UCS, then snap to the bottom right corner of the door. Select the window, then edit the W, width, and H, height fields in the Properties bar to adjust the dimensions of the window. Restart the BIM Insert command and select Window Fixed 3 DWG. Move the cursor over the vertical face of the sill, press the Shift key to lock the dynamic UCS, then snap to the bottom right corner of the previously placed window. Select the window then, edit the width and height fields in the Properties bar. Now we place Window Fix 2 DWG on the sill in the front elevation. To control the dynamics of the windows better, choose X-ray in the Visual Style list in the Properties bar. Start the BIM Insert command and select Window Fixed 1 Corner DWG. Lock the dynamic UCS to the front wall. Type TK and press Enter. Then snap to the bottom right corner of the wall. Move over the bottom edge of the wall, type 2900 and press Enter. Move the cursor vertically, type 1100 and press Enter twice. Adjust the width of the window in the Properties bar. Restart the BIM Insert command and select Window Fix 1 Corner DWG again. Snap to the bottom corner on the interior face of the previously placed window. Adjust the width of the window. Set the visual style to realistic. Hover over the inside face of the window opening and choose Extrude in the quad. Then move the selected face outside the wall. Repeat this procedure on the other wall. We will now place an exterior door and window and the entrance door. Set the FD parameter of the entrance door, which controls its depth in the wall, to 335. Now we will place the horizontal window, which is connected to the entrance door. Again, we will use temporary tracking points to position the window. Place the first tracking point on the bottom corner of the wall. Move the cursor horizontally and type 335. Make sure the snap marker no longer displays at the first tracking point when you type the distance. The vertical distance is 2450. Press Enter twice to accept the third tracking point. Adjust the dimensions. And remove the part of the wall at the corner using Extrude in the quad. We will now insert a window randomly. To control the position of this window, we will use yet another technique. Set the origin of the coordinate system at the bottom corner of the wall. And expand the position settings in the Properties bar. Type 3250 in the X field and 1300 in the Z field. Click the BIM Update tool to correct the opening in the wall. Adjust the dimensions and the frame depth. To conclude this movie, we will place a window and a door on the sill in the back wall. Make sure Ignore Entity Snap Elevation option and Allow Entity Snaps to negative Z values are both active. In the next movie, we will place the interior doors on the ground floor. Thank you for watching this tutorial movie.
Download the free trial version of BricsCAD at www.bricsys.com and check it out for yourself.